Hey, what's going on, folks? So we are back with another product video. This time I decided to do one on a lavalier microphone. Now this is probably one of the cheapest and for its price the best lavalier microphone that you're going to get, because lavalier microphones are pretty expensive, especially all the high-end ones from companies such as Rode. Anyway, this one is from a company called BOYA. I don't know where they originate from, but this is the BY-M1. So yeah, we're going to be unboxing this, having a look at the contents that you get inside the box, and then we'll compare it to my microphone, like the Blue Snowball, which I'm using right now, and the onboard microphone on my camera, which is absolutely dire. You do not want to use the onboard microphone. Unfortunately though, my camera doesn't have a jack input for microphones. So another way you can go about this is by downloading any audio recording software on your phone and just simply connecting this microphone to it, and you'll be able to record top quality audio. Alright guys, so let's just start off with the unboxing. The packaging itself is pretty basic, so I'm not going to get into that, and I'm just going to move straight on into the unboxing. Then you have a notice, the instruction manual, you get the microphone itself with the control panel here for toggling between camera and smartphone. Now this control panel does take the phantom power. You also have a windsock, and then you have an adapter for an amplifier, a clip for your clothing material, and that is pretty much it. Now this cable is really long. Now getting the mic is kind of tricky, getting it into the windsock. And then the control panel here, that just twists off. And you take the battery, and you pop it right in, twist it back on, and then you just take the other end and then you can put it into your phone like so. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The next thing for us to do is to just actually test the mic and compare it between the Blue Snowball and the onboard microphone on this camera. Alright guys, so we are back with the testing, and the first one we're going to do is test it out on a phone using a recording application. Now in fact this one is actually the recording application that comes with my phone. As you can see, it's pretty basic. There's nothing you have to do. You just connect the 3.5mm jack into the port. Now I'm recording on my phone. I don't know if you can see that because it needs to focus. So yeah, now this is what the microphone sounds like, the BY-M1. This is what it sounds like recording using an application on my phone. It does have a notice warning saying do not use your smartphone on the camera setting. Obviously in comparison to the Blue Snowball, it's not the same. The Blue Snowball costs about 5 times this amount, so please don't let the Blue Snowball put you off. This is still a very good microphone for its price range, especially for a lav mic. The reason why I bought this mic specifically is so I can use it when I'm moving freely around. If I'm doing like really big unboxing videos, etc. Sometimes my Blue Snowball is just not maneuverable. As you can see right now, it's angled in the weirdest position ever. I can barely move my arm around. So to use it on the PC, you need to switch it to the camera setting. Now I do have to admit though, there are some compatibility issues when you're using it on the PC. It doesn't seem to work on every computer. I've tried it on my laptop and my main PC. It didn't work with those two. In fact, I ended up thinking it was the battery. So I went out and I bought another battery, and it turned out it wasn't that. Then I tried my girlfriend's laptop and it worked using that laptop. And also another thing I noticed, it worked on my laptop when I switched it to the smartphone setting. When I switched it to the camera setting, it didn't work on my laptop, and it's actually supposed to work on the camera setting on my laptop. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this microphone. If you have any questions at all, do be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below, or you can contact me through my contact form on my website. If you do it that way, you'll get a quicker reply because I have notifications straight away for my contact form. Yeah, if this video helped you decide what lavalier microphone to get, Don't forget to leave a like as well, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.